Introducing ETS-RT 02C, a high-performance UHF RFID book tag designed by EcoTrack Systems for advanced library automation. Operating on UHF 865 to 868 MHz and powered by Alien Higgs 9 chip, it ensures fast and secure data capture with ISO 18006C compliance. With a read range of up to 5 meters, it's ideal for hands-free circulation and security gate scanning in modern libraries. Its compact size and strong adhesive make it easy to apply on books, journals, and files. No special setup required. Supports real-time inventory, rapid sorting, and anti-collision for reading multiple tags simultaneously. With 15 years of warranty, 1 lakhs programming cycles, and password protection, it ensures long-lasting, secure performance. Perfect for public libraries, schools, universities, bookstores, and document tracking systems. For smart RFID-based document management, choose EcoTrack Systems, your trusted technology partner. Contact us today.